Today, we're taking a look at the latest robot from ECOVACS, the DEEBOT T30S Combo. This family of devices comes in 3 different versions: the standard T30S, T30S Combo, and T30S Combo Complete. We tested the Combo, which comes with a handheld vacuum to assist in cleaning. ECOVACS has a history of making robot vacuums that clean well, navigate efficiently, and offer a wide range of usability improvements and helpful features. We tested T30S Combo to find out if this new robot vacuum can match up to the high performance of its predecessors. Let's discuss what the T30S Combo does best. First, it has impressive cleaning abilities, especially with hair. The improved brush roll design resisted tangles in both of our tests. Additionally, the extendable mop pad improves cleaning performance in edges and corners. Second, the T30S is a combo device with a multifunctional docking station and handheld vacuum. Both the robot and handheld automatically empty their debris into the docking station. Thanks to the robust docking station, smart features available in the app, and much more, the DEEBOT T30S is incredibly user-friendly. However, the T30S Combo wasn't perfect. It failed to avoid the cord in our obstacle avoidance test. While it learned the position after cleaning, it still failed to recognize it initially. Furthermore, the top plate of the robot is magnetically attached to the device, but it easily comes loose as you handle the robot. This isn't a major concern, but it can be a bit inconvenient. At Modern Castle, we test 13 different factors that impact the performance, build quality, and usability of the vacuum. Below is a complete list of our testing categories and their performance. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. Across all cleaning tests, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo had fantastic results. While it wasn't perfect, it came quite close in multiple tests. In our debris removal test, the T30S was able to remove 97.1% of debris by weight. This is 4.5% more debris than the average of 92.6% based on all of our debris tests to date. It had its best performance on hardwood floor cleaning, nearly cleaning all of the debris, but it struggled the most on low-pile carpet, albeit not by much. Where the T30S Combo really shined was in our hair removal test. Thanks to an improved brush roll, the robot resisted tangles as it cleaned up hair. Pet hair performance also was fantastic, removing 96% of all pet hair. This is 19.1% better than the average robot vacuum we've tested, which removes 76.9%. Performance continued to be fantastic in our edge and crevice cleaning test, removing all debris and cleaning close to the edge. Finally, mopping performance was also excellent, though it didn't stand out from other high-end robot mop combo devices. One of the key features of the T30S Combo is the inclusion of a handheld vacuum. This vacuum can automatically empty into the same dock as the robot while it charges and provides some extra help cleaning when the robot just isn't quite enough. Cleaning performance was good for the handheld vacuum. We performed subjective assessments for the cleaning performance, removing various types of debris from different surfaces. In all cases, the vacuum cleaned well, but struggled with larger debris types like cereal. The motorized cleaning head on the handheld lacked the clearance to allow pieces of cereal to access the brush roll. However, we were able to remove the larger debris by using a different attachment. While this handheld vacuum isn't a complete cleaning solution by itself, it pairs well with the robot. In terms of navigation, the T30S Combo did well. It cleaned our 1,000 square foot office space in 55 minutes, which is 7 minutes faster than the average robot vacuum based on all of our tests to date. To navigate, the robot uses LiDAR, an RGB camera, edge sensors, and other internal sensors to map throughout the house. On a broad scale, the T30S navigated well, never getting stuck and always returning to the dock. However, in our obstacle avoidance test, the robot failed to avoid the cord. That said, once the robot recognized the cord and knew where it was, it never ran into it again in our cleaning cycles. Keep in mind that I got this performance after adjusting the sensitivity of the True Detect technology within the app. Beforehand, the T30S failed to recognize any objects and ran into all of them. With that setting adjusted, the performance was notably better. Across the board, the build quality is excellent for the T30S Combo. The robot, handheld vacuum, and dock are well built and constructed of sturdy plastic. I had 2 notes of concern for the build quality on the Combo: the debris bag and the robot top cover. Initially, the debris bag we received with the device failed to be recognized by the dock. This disabled the auto-empty features of the dock and robot. However, we were able to replace the debris bag, which solved the issue entirely. The top cover of the robot itself attaches via magnets. That said, these magnets aren't especially strong and the top cover can easily fall off, even when picking up the robot with care. In most cases, this shouldn't be a major issue, but it is something worth noting. The T30S Combo has a few prominent features and a plethora of smaller features that improve usability. The most notable being the inclusion of the handheld vacuum and the extendable mopping pad called True Edge. True Edge enables the mop to extend beyond the body of the robot. Thanks to the intelligent pathing, the extended mop pad can clean better along edges and in corners. In addition, the T30S has a number of small usability features that enhance the cleaning experience, including lifting mop pads, smart integration, foot control, and quick mapping. The app is robust, feels intuitive, and gives the user access to a variety of features and settings to fine-tune your robot. The only thing that confused me about the app was the secondary maps it seemed to create during some cleaning cycles. During some of our tests, the cleaning cycle wasn't displayed on our map, but instead on some pop-out window that showed a completely new map. While it wasn't a major issue, it stopped me from using the specific settings during that cleaning process. In most cases, I was able to end the current task and restart the cleaning to avoid this problem. Lastly, the controls are intuitive, and the handheld vacuum uses a simple display to show battery life. The T30S Combo has an estimated yearly maintenance cost of $26 a year. The table on screen shows the maintenance tasks and their estimated annual cost. Automated maintenance is improved with the T30S Combo. The dock can automatically empty the debris containers from both the robot and handheld vacuum, wash the robot mop's pads with hot water, refill the water supply, and heat dry the mop pads. In addition, the dock itself can perform a self-cleaning cycle, and the base plate can be removed for easy access to clean. In our noise test, the T30S Combo generated 72.0 decibels of noise on the max power mode. This is 3.3 decibels more than the average of 68.7 decibels based on all of our noise tests to date. While the T30S may be slightly louder than the average vacuum, this is only on the highest suction mode. The robot has a noise range from 53 to 72 decibels based on suction mode selected. If noise is a major concern, do not disturb features and scheduling can help to mitigate those issues. Docking stations for robot vacuums are slowly increasing in size as they become more advanced. This is true for the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo, but that increased size comes with more functionality. The latest robot combo device from ECOVACS is paired with a handheld vacuum that attaches to the base as well. The robot's docking station offers a plethora of automatic features to maintain both devices. Additionally, the robot itself has fantastic cleaning performance, manages hair tangles with an improved brush roll, and has intelligent features built throughout the system. The mop pads can lift when carpet is detected, and a mop pad can extend beyond the body of the robot to clean along edges. While it failed to avoid the cord in our obstacle avoidance test, navigation is still quite excellent as all other objects were avoided. The T30S Combo is packed full of features that enhance the user experience. Overall, it's a fantastic device that cleans well and is easy to use. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments or questions, please drop those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the T30S Combo, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.